If you like to cook like I do, these are a must. These are little bamboo containers, and you can put up your ingredients that you use constantly. It comes with an actual spill plate here in the bottom, of course, because it's bamboo, water resistance perfect. You could actually add your favorite sauces in here, but today we only have dry stuff in here. I'm going to show you opening up. So I like that they come with the little scooper. You guys can see sugar. All right, actually this is salt. So salt, perfect. And then you don't have to even leave, you could leave the spoon in there because there's actually room for the spoon, if you guys can see that. Now the next one we have oregano, spices. You guys can see these are the spices, right? You can smell them. Ooh, really strong, but I like it. Now we're gonna go ahead and close it. Look at this, how easy it closes. And of course, oregano, another spice here. And if you do coffee, you could put grind coffee. You could do a regular coffee, but grind coffee, it needs to be fresh, all right? So if you want to do beans, you can do that. But look how beautiful the design is, all right? I like that they have this spill area. So if you're gonna spill stuff, it's gonna spill down here. It's perfect for there's our using the ingredients. Out of the box, you gotta make sure you wash it. That's a mandatory thing too. And let them dry up with a little napkin or something, and they're ready to use. You could even add a little bit of sauces in here if you're spilling. If you have chile sauce and you want to hold on to it, you could use the actual cover to make sure you're not spilling, all right? So look at this. And these are bamboo spoons too. Awesome, beautiful design, nice carving that they have. Very elegant. And this is going to live in my kitchen here. Of course, when I'm cooking, they're ready for me. So hope you guys enjoy this video.